Hey everyone, it's Mama Does Nails and welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope that you're all having an amazing day. Guys, I have to remind you, I still have a giveaway going on my channel. I will link the giveaway video in the description box of this video because some of that giveaway is sponsored by Madam Glam. So once I hit 1K, I will choose 2 winners, and I was saying I may choose a third. Now it's open to everyone, international. Like for the years I've been on YouTube, I am willing to pay that shipping just to give that back. All right, guys, let's get into this video. So now, my last video I did talk about, post with Christmas. This collection has already gone live in December. Confetti Dreams. So obviously mine's late. The collection's gone live and we have heard everything there is to hear about Confetti Dreams, but I'm sorry, it's the first on my channel. Now these are the colors. You have 8 soak off gels, and obviously there were some ones with glitter. There were 2 and I picked up those 2. It's also made in Korea, guys. So for someone like me who's never even tried a Korean dupe, to be able to get Korean made gels, from Madam Glam, it's just everything. So I'm going to swatch the colors that I got. Oh, what does it say? As the clock ticks closer to midnight, whispers of excitement flutter through the air. For within these walls, a mystical collection awaits. Ooh, I love that. And, welcome 2024 with an enchanting and effervescent assortment. Oh my gosh. Meet Confetti Dreams, a collection stunning assembles of 8 new gels. They capture the essence of celebration, blending creamy hues with glittery formulas. Oh my gosh. Okay, so guys, Madam Glam is vegan, cruelty free, 21 free, and palm oil free. Come on, man, they had to put that in bold writing. Anyway, we're going to get into the swatches. So I'm going to get this out, 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 because we don't need the rest. So once again, we have these beautiful bottles with the gold handle. We just love this. Absolutely love this, because when I look at my Madam Glam collections now, I automatically know which ones are the Korean gels. Oh my gosh. So here are the colors. Now for me, I chose that's a set right there, and I'm going to swatch all 4 of these colors, and all 4 of them will be going in a set. Okay, so the first one I'm going to swatch is Cheers. I love colors like this, and I love that it's not hair, it's literally hair, and it's just like the other ones. So I love colors like this, and I'll wear it right throughout the year. Now this is giving some sort of, we can see like terracotta vibes. So I have some base coat on the nail already, and I chose to swatch on a tip today because I really I want to see it properly. Not that you can't on a swatch stick, but I just really want to see them together as a set. So this is Chairs, which looks exactly like the swatch insert, and I know this is going to look stunning on all shades, but me personally, I love these oranges and the tan, the terracotta oranges. I just love all the gradients of them. And they were actually, it's a gradient of colors that my dad actually was like in love with. There are parts of his house back home that are painted like this. So as soon as I saw it, it was a no-brainer. I knew I was going to pick this color. So I will do 2 coats of this. So the next color I'm going to swatch is Make a Wish. Now this is a glitter. It's a glitter gel. Just want to take that out so you can have a look. But let's get it on a nail so you can see. Now I'm in love with the colors. I have some acrylic that literally are these two colors. Now it's like a gold, and I'm not I would say black. I was going to say brown, but there were like gold and like black glitters in here. This is just so chic, so stunning. I will still do 2 thin coats of that. Oh, I'm absolutely in love with these gels. So I can't, I'm speechless. I'm just really like happy I get a chance, as I said, to try Korean style gels because I have not tried them. I have not. Now, this is what Cheers looks like 2 coats later. I haven't top coated or done anything. It just looks perfect. And it glows in the lamp. I mean, when you got it in the lamp, it's bright. So I don't know if to say it's luminescent. Like, I don't think it glows in the dark, but you know, I'm gonna look. I'm gonna find out. Okay, now this, I absolutely love this one. New Me. Every year that it rolls, you know, we all like to feel as though this is a new me. This is a new version of myself, a better version of myself. And, you know, there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. And I think, you know, as human beings, we need to be feeling and thinking that positively every year, you know, just trying to get a bit better. I'm trying to, even after all these years, just get to a place with pain and stop beating up myself for the things that I can't do, for, you know, for the areas in which I lack. And I think, you know, if I could have a new me, it would be a new me without pain, definitely. So, speaking of new me, oh, what's that hair? Nope, we're not doing that. This is a beautiful nude. Now, I would wear this just as a color. It would be perfect. On the bottom, it would be perfect for ombres, for marbles. It's just a beautiful nude. I don't know if I even have another Madam Glam color I can compare this to. Okay, so if you're like me, this is the pièce de résistance, the one I was waiting to swatch, Glam Resolution. And oh my gosh, it just goes perfectly with this set. Now, this color. Okay, let's get it on it now. Now, I love this because the iridescent tones, there is no way you would see these colors and not get this. This color is going to sell out. I am telling you this now. If it already hasn't sold out, it will sell out. Glam Resolution. Now, the glitters in there are so iridescent and hollow. This is the kind of topper you would put on black and it would look different because of the way it's shining. Oh my gosh. So this is Glam Resolution and I'm here for this. Look at the color. Imagine this in summer. Winner. Definitely not chicken dinner, but a winner. Okay, guys, let's talk about this because a lot happened since we last spoke. Can we see? I'm just speechless. Okay, so I did, let's get this off the phone. Get the phone off the stand. I did do a black nail and then put that Glam Resolution on top. And you see how it looks in matte compared to shiny and on black. 2 complete different vibes. And I mean, I knew it was going to look like this on black just because of the way the glitter looked. But this is absolutely stunning. Do you see the matte? Do we see how flawless the matte looks? This formula is different. And I matted the sides too. Like, I'm going to move away a little bit. And you almost can't tell the glossy from the matte. Oh, wow. So stunning. I need to put these on a white background, I think. Thank you all so much for watching. Like, this set is absolutely gorgeous. You can see how Glam Resolution looks, literally. It's so beautiful. I cannot. And I absolutely love the way the glitters look on the Claire. And as I said, with the colour. This, for me, is my vibe. Those two colours already, you know, is a set. And then I'm looking at, you know, chairs. It's stunning. That's what Danelle would say. If you know, you know. So, anyway, guys, I'm gone. I'm Mama Does Nails. There are discount codes on screen. Yes, guys, they've all been updated. And please feel free to use and share them. Unless, obviously, you are a VIP member, so therefore you have a whole 50% off. I love you all. Please catch me in the next one. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. And even if you don't want to enter, let someone know who's a beginner and let them enter. And, you know, there's lots of stuff there. These colors. I can't get over the matte. That is the part for me. Obviously, it's not my size, but the matte is so subtle. I wish. I can't wait to use these gels.